This is her, isn't it?
Let's try to see it in the photo.
This is her, isn't it?
Let's try to see it in the photo.
Talk to me.
Hello.
Did you talk to him yet?
Yeah.
And now what did he say?
I mean, like, I haven't, but I'm going to.
Nivi, you can't keep living like this. You know what's the right thing to do. You know it's not working between the two of you, and you still keep running away from this. You either face this right now or forever live in this regret. Put an end to it already, Nivi. It's high time you did it.
Oh, I will. I promise I will. I will do it. I will.
Hello.
Vinay,
Hello.
I need to talk to you about something important. Come to our usual spot now.
Kind of busy right now.
Vinay, it's for something important. Just come.
Can't you do it over call?
Vinay, shut the fuck up and come. What's wrong with you?
Not to hurt anymore. Who cares if one more light goes out in the sky of a million stars? It flickers, flickers. Who cares if one more light goes out? Well, I do. Well, I do.
Why do you call me here? Nivi, why did you call me here?
Vinay, I can't do this anymore.
What?
Vinay, I don't think we should be together anymore.
What are you talking about? This is her, isn't it? Why is she calling you? Why it's been her? This always
Stop
been her.
drawing
Why-
conclusions.
She's the one.
Stop drawing conclusions, Vinay.
Now with me. This has always been her. You've always let her come into our relationship, and this time you've let her. She's making you break up with me. I mean, how many times has she told you that you don't deserve me, that you deserve better? After every single fight.
Vinay,
What?
stop bringing Ambika into this conversation. This is not about her. Can't you see it? It's about us. We have problems. We are not working out. She has got literally nothing to do with this.
Not making any sense. I don't know what it means.
Vinay, I've been thinking about this for the past 4 months, Vinay. It's like I don't feel like I'm being myself when I'm with you. I don't feel good about myself, Vinay. My feelings, it's like I'm trapped in a fucking cage. It's driving me insane.
Not making
Just stop Just stop interrupting me for one time in your life. It's been so difficult for me. We always go where you want. We always do the things that you like. What about me? What about me, Vinay? Say something, for God's sake.
Why didn't you say anything before then?
Yeah, because of this. Because I was afraid of how you would react. Because anytime I tried to say something on my mind, you will just push me away. You will just listen to me half attentively.
Any sense?
Yeah, it
I've
does.
always been there for you, Nidhi.
Yeah.
I've always been there for you. What about the time when your parents were divorced? I was there with you all the time. I was there with you.
Yeah.
I was there with you. Okay? And all the time when your grandfather passed away.
Fuck you, Vinay. You think that you're doing me a huge favor for being there for me. I mean, don't you see it? We are in a relation. Okay, I mean, at least we were in a relationship. We have to be there for each other. This is just, you're not doing a favor to me. It's like what normal people do in a relationship.
I don't even go out these days. When was the last time I met my friends?
Okay, when did I ever stop you from hanging out with friends?
I'm always with you. I'm always with you.
Go out with your
I
friends.
don't do anything. All I do is talk to you for hours, and then I go back home, and then I'm on a video call with you, and then I'm wasting my time on that.
Wasting, seriously. You're wasting your time with me.
I didn't mean it as that. I didn't mean it.
Yeah. You meant it exactly like that. You waste your time when you're with me.
I'm sorry, okay, but I can't keep doing this. Okay, you're just an image of fucking child. You can't handle your own fucking emotions. You have this void in you, this dissatisfaction, and you want me there for only that fucking reason. Okay, and you need to understand this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. You're an immature child.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't. This is what you do. Like, anytime you're angry, you'll come up to me like I'm your fucking punch bag. I'm not. Fuck you, Vinay. Fuck you.
Stop yelling. People are staring at us.
Now you want me to stop yelling, right? Yeah. What about all of those times when you yelled at me in front of all of your stupid friends? How did I feel then?
I'm sorry, Kevin.
You've got to be knowing that this was going to happen one day or the other. I mean, how long were you planning to pull off this act where we pretend that everything is fine when it's clearly not?
Take small things and then you blow them out of proportion, and then you blame me for it, and then you make me feel like shit. You do this.
How can you not see it? This is exactly what I'm talking about. When I try to say something, you make me sound like it's my fault for communicating with you. When I try to talk something with you, then my fault. When I don't, my fault again.
Wait, where is all this coming from?
Don't you see it? We've hung on to this relationship for so long just because we felt that there was more to offer, but there isn't. There really isn't. How long do you want to keep pretending? You just had an illusion that everything is fine. I can't anymore. I can't pretend. Can't pretend everything is fine. I'm tired of everything. I'm so tired of you.
Maybe what about everything we've built? What about everything we've been? Everything we've been through. I mean, I'm just gonna see you. I'm gonna see you every day, and you will just be another stranger to me.
Vinay, it's not like we're forever going to avoid each other. You know, there will be times when we'll have problem in adjusting that we aren't together anymore. But like Vinay, it's the best for us. Some decisions do hurt, but
Is there someone else? Like somebody else?
There is someone else, isn't it? That's the reason.
You crazy. Just let go of her head.
after everything, this, it's like everything we've been through, you just put it to nothing. You accuse me of leaving you for some other guy. Are you so blinded by your own anger? You can't even see what's going on. You're accusing me of cheating on you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking. I'm sorry. Nivi, please just talk to me. We'll be fine. Please, just talk
We
to me.
can't. We won't. We won't be fine. Why can't you understand? We won't be fine. We never were. We never will be.
What happened? You okay?
Yeah. I just want to see you.
I thought you were gonna break up with me or something.
I'm very hungry. I've not had anything.
Okay. There's this new shawarma place. You wanna go there?
Let's go for chaat now.
Chaat. We'll just go shawarma now. It's a new place. It opened recently. It's very good apparently.
I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder. Giving me love and you are down and need another. I've gotta get away